Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're smoking a turkey. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. So, I got a 13-pound turkey. It's been pre-brined in an 8% solution. I'm going to pat it dry. I just took it out of the packaging, got all the internals out, the neck and all that. I'm gonna do a little trimming on it, season it up, put it back in the refrigerator, and in a couple hours, we'll go get that smoker going. Alright, today guys, we're keeping it simple. We're just gonna do a little salt, pepper, garlic rub on this bad boy. Alright guys, so I've melted 2 sticks of butter and put some salt, pepper, garlic into the butter. And now, we're going to go ahead and inject it. Now that he's all seasoned up and injected, we're gonna go ahead and stick some onion and some apple inside the cavity. Make it a little more dense, a little more even cooking. I also poured some butter, the leftover butter that was from the injection in there as well. Then you can grab some butcher's twine and tie the legs together. And now that the bird is all prepped, you can throw it back in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, or you can even throw it on the smoker now if you're ready to cook. Alright guys, so here's my plan. I'm gonna put the bird on the smoker on the smoke setting for about 30-45 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the smoker on to 300 degrees for the cook. I'll bring you back when I put it on. I'll bring you back in an hour or so when we go ahead and do the butter base. Alright guys, so this has been going for just a little over an hour. And we're just going to do a little basting with some butter here. Notice I'm not brushing it on, I'm just dripping it on there. I don't want to mess up that great rub we got going on. Guys back next time when we do it again. Alright guys, so it's been on for about 2.5 hours now. I'm just going to baste it one more time. Turn it nice and brown. I did turn it up to 350 here, like it's closer to the end, to try to get that skin to crisp up a little bit more. It's definitely looking good. Alright guys, the breast is up to 165 and the dark meat is at 170. We're going to let carry over, finish the rest of it. We're going to go ahead and pull it off. Put it on the board, we're going to take it inside, put it on the counter, we're going to cover it up a little bit, and we're going to let it rest for 15-20 minutes. Now guys, my favorite part, the tasting. Give it a try. So juicy. It's outstanding, guys. Smoke your turkey this Thanksgiving and Christmas. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.